a scientific point of view, the One Ocean expedition is a good opportunity to collect samples and data on a route where we, at least from the Institute of Marine Research and the research community in Norway, are very rarely. So, given now the UN Ocean Science Decade, this was a good opportunity for us to contribute to a wider data collection than we normally do. We use echo sounders to look at what is going on underneath the keel, and we can use that to look for fish and plankton in particular. We use the eDNA data to look for biodiversity and how organisms are distributed around the ocean. And also looking into, for example, day-night differences. So that's a fantastic data set that we will get and we can relate to, for example, what we see on the echo sounder. We also have quite a lot of climate variables. We have a PCO2 measurement, so we get the concentration of carbon dioxide in the waters, which of course is a climate gas and also important for the ocean acidification. We have now the hydrophone looking for whales. But also looking for any kind of noise that we human generate. We have a weather station, we have a wave height measurer, and we also have a ferry box where we measure salinity, oxygen level, chlorophyll, and temperature, of course. So, in addition to these parameters which we measure on the way, we also occasionally stop the vessel, lay it still, and do a station where we lower a CTD measurer into the deep, down to 700 meters, and get a profile of the temperature and the salinity, and also do a plankton haul from 200 meters up to the surface, and thus we get some samples to bring home for analysis also.
I think we need to be much more clever in the way we observe. We can no longer continue to observe as we did in the old days. And when that's said, it means that the composition of scientists which are on board this vessel now is one way that we have to go about it. You can no longer afford just to send a group of oceanographers out to sample temperature and salinity and currents in the ocean. You need to have people who has the understanding of the other components of this fascinating, fantastic ocean that we are using so much.
And finally, we also have microplastics analysis, so we filtrate the water and look for microplastics, which of course is a very growing concern and something that it will be very valuable to have a global data set on.